You'll be surprised with the results you get from this remedy. You will never believe it, how your skin will transform beautifully. Mix these two with other ingredients and thank me later. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, mix tomato with soda. Yes, baking soda for a perfect, beautiful skin. If you desire to get rid of dark spots, if you want to unify your complexion, if you want to look younger all the time, if you want your skin to glow beautifully, like perfect skin, use this treatment and you never regret it. So you have to continue washing because the ingredients are purely natural. You get so much benefits from them. So the first ingredient you have to get is this tomato. This is purely natural, okay? This is edible. This is something you can find in your fridge, in your kitchen. So tomato contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps greatly to polish your skin, helps to unify your complexion, keeping your skin spotless, keeping your skin glowing. Like it helps to tighten the skin with consistency, like firming your skin to remove sagginess. With time, you will never have dark spots. I'm going to tell you how to mix with other ingredients to get perfect results. Get any size of tomato, any size. We are going to make use of the paste. How to make a paste with it? You have to use a grater. Grate it to bring out the paste, or wash it thoroughly, transfer it into your blender, add a little water or not. Blend it into a smooth paste. Keep it aside. So the next ingredient we have to use is oat powder. Okay, this is oat powder. If your oat powder is not smooth like this, it's not in a fine powder like this, all you have to do is to blend it. There are many textures of oat powder, so what you have to do, blend it into a fine powder or not. You can decide to use it like that, but to make it mix properly into a smooth paste, you have to turn it into a fine powder like this. I got mine like this, so depending on how yours is. Oat powder will help to exfoliate your skin, removing dark patches, pigmentations. It helps by exfoliating your skin to remove dead skin cells, so that when you apply your skincare products, it's going to work, like penetrate well and work. So this will also help to moisturize your skin, keeping your skin well hydrated. For those that have serious dry skin, if you have irritated skin, it will help to take care of it. If you want to treat sunburn, you want to treat skin disorders, you want your skin to just glow beautifully, use oat powder. Like the title says, use tomato and soda. This is the soda I mean. Baking soda, of course. Some people actually think that baking soda is not good for the skin, but I make use of it. Yes, I apply it on my skin. Check my videos, okay? You see when I was applying it on my skin. It helps to minimize so much oiliness of my skin because I have oily skin. So if you do not have oily skin anyway, you can add it with other ingredients, just little quantity, and it will help to take care of your skin in so many ways. It contains antibacterial properties, helping to get rid of acne, pimples. It exfoliates the skin as well to remove dark spots. Your skin will look bright and beautiful. You have to get a mixing bowl, a very clean bowl, of course. The first thing you have to do, transfer 2 tablespoons of tomato paste into the clean bowl. Then the next one to add is oat powder. Add 2 tablespoons of oat powder. After adding your oat powder, mix them thoroughly together before adding the next ingredient. So go on and add half tablespoon of baking soda. Half tablespoon of baking soda will go a long way. In case you do not have oily skin, you can add just a pinch of baking soda to treat the skin, to make sure your skin is looking the best, clear and beautiful. Add a pinch of baking soda, okay, for all skin type. Because of my oily skin, I always add half tablespoon. So after doing so, you have to mix them together. Then you get almond oil. Almond oil will not only moisturize your skin, it will not only keep your skin from drying out. It's also a very powerful oil that will brighten your skin. Like if you have dull skin, it will help to brighten it, nourish your skin. It penetrates deep into your skin to build the skin elasticity, preventing stretch marks. So almond oil is perfectly good for all skin type. Like apply on your skin to keep your skin glowing and well hydrated, like looking very nourished. So get almond oil. Add half tablespoon of almond oil into the bowl. But if you have severe dry skin, increase the quantity of almond oil. So mix these ingredients together thoroughly until it's in a very smooth paste. After that, wash your skin thoroughly, apply it anywhere you want to treat. So I'm using ordinary light right now, okay? There is ordinary outside light, and look at my skin and look at it. You can see it, okay? There's no light right now. So just add almond oil and mix together. So after that, you have to wash your skin thoroughly, remove all makeups, then apply this treatment anywhere you want to treat, anywhere you want to make to look beautiful. So when you are done, you allow this treatment to stay for 10 minutes, just 10 minutes. Because of the baking soda, you don't want it to exceed that time. After 10 minutes, wash it off and apply a light moisturizer, and you're all good. So you have to repeat this treatment 2 times weekly only for best results. Your skin is just going to look the best. You have that perfect skin. You can go out without makeup and your skin will look the best, like naturally beautiful. So store the remaining in the refrigerator to use it next time. Remember to apply this treatment only 10 minutes, wash it off, and you're all good. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.